Ebyagambwa Abany'eishengyero w'ishaza lya Kasambya David Kabanda obwabirajwekire Speaker w'ishengyero lya Uganda Right Honorable Among Anita Anet aha mukoro gw'okusima kw'Abany'eishengyero wa Bugangizi South Home District ya KAKUMIRO Josephat Tumwesige.
Na mwenu mureke competinga n'abagenzi banyu omwana wawe uri kubaza kumushomeseza obe niyo wamutwara omutindo okuretera omutindo gwaba butari murungi nitobe bembezi PTA BRDC mutemwa amanya ahabo kuba omushomesa wa government bamushashura sente nyingi waza kuringaniza n'omushomesa owa private
stani bitu gitutarona amaiso gaitu bitu gitukusa kurolera mu bikorwa ebikugenda mu maiso etahirire Uganda etahirire ensi yona okuraba umubana bitu abato abataka bali nabitekerezo ebigalihire ebyokwechweramu nibabateka mu sente bakozesa ebikorwa ebyobusiyaga.
Kabanda yagira ngo Abany'eishengyero bari hakaciko k'ishengyero k'ebyobwegese baketorora mu mashomero ga Kampala bitungu hate nibaza kuzo mugomu byaro rero bakore report hwire.
So parliament nezagarakamu tereze guidelines ebishare okureba uko biratwazibwa ahabo kuba ebyenyegesa ti business
and the NRM government has given priority to so many things but education inclusive. That's why we have UPE, the Universal Primary Education, Universal Secondary Education, and we have built universities, public universities, or government universities, in almost every sub-region of this country. That's how we got Mbara University of Science and Technology for Ankole. But it's for the rest of us, but it's located in Ankole.
Bishop wa Western Uganda Firda habw'abachwanga Pastor Anatole Mugenyi yayanjurire nkumeneye nkumeza Advent nshonga mushanjo ezibari kuza kutamburiraho.
Omunsonga ya infrastructure tugenda kuteekawo nabo kalitango amakanisa gaitu tugombeke kandi tukole ki tugamalirize gakwetaga tairuzi gakwetaga tarazo tuziteekemu
bino bikutuluma mulina okukoma abanomazi ba palamenti lulina bachairman ba 5 ba councillors abatuja kutulipa tukwenda abantu abakola ensi yayo ehinduke nayo muhinduke nulire.
Umukoro gwahikwaho Abany'eishengyero bari kurenga 30 n'abandi bebembezi gashakwa n'uwagaba Ambrose Katoto.